Hello, good morning everyone. Ayan, anuhin na natin kung sino ang napili natin sa ating pa-surprise. Ayan, so thank you so much sa iyo at keep on watching lang mga kawakwak. Baka kayo na naman ang next na mabigyan natin ng konting pang dyan. O, diba? So, ito na siya. Tingnan ninyo. Keep on watching sa video. Bye-bye. Ingat kayo dyan.
Like kind of saying,
hi everyone! Guys, tapos na kaming kumain sa buffet. Ayan. Look at the two. It's in the back. Hi, Celeste and Sophia. Say hi to our vlog.
Hi.
So, are you full?
I don't know.
You are not full? Are you serious, guys?
They wanted me to read the Phia's fortune.
Yeah, read it.
It says, lucky coincidences will shape your destiny.
What?
I don't know what that means.
I want to read you guys mine.
How about yours?
But I don't know what that means.
Explain it, Sophia.
There is only one success, to be able to live your life in your own way.
Yeah. If you're success, then that's it. You're good.
yeah.
Good to go. Only one success, and then you're good to
But
go.
what does this mean? I don't know what it means.
Explain that, ate.
Like if you have lucky coincidences will shape your destiny.
What is coincidence?
A coincidence means like kind of good luck.
Good luck or
Yeah.
just happen. Oh, I like your dress, baby.
Thank God.
Sophia, do you want to tell them what you did today?
Yeah, tell them what did you do, Sophia?
What happened today?
Lucky
No, Sophia.
today.
Sophia, why did you get those flowers?
Yeah.
It's my graduation.
There we go.
Wow.
Gosh.
My graduation.
And then you're gonna sing I Can Buy?
I can buy some flowers. You can have I love you all.
Okay.
Okay.
So basically, tomorrow, or that's what Sophia said, she's getting a bear, like a little bear, and and they made a promise, and it's to like redo it every single night.
Every day.
Every day.
night.
And take care of it.
Yep, somebody's beeping. Why? Are you in a rush? Go. Are you serious? Beeping? Which one is beeping, man?
Oh, I don't know, but I don't. This case, I don't really blame them because.
Well, you have to beep. There was traffic. Come on.
Yeah.
Are you this serious? They're in a rush. Oops. Hold, guys. All right. So here's my honey bunch. My honey bunny. Thank you for the food. You cook good.
Yeah. Thank you.
Today, I went to the diner.
Diner or buffet? Oh, yeah, buffet. You got everything. Yeah. Busog day. Ang busog day, oh. They're almost done in school.
Next week.
Next Wednesday, right? Is it Wednesday or
Is it this week?
next week?
Next week? Oh, that's gonna take so long.
So long. It is like takes forever,
Oh,
right?
look, oh man, the Cybertruck.
Oh,
Cybertruck. I don't know. There.
And the
Let
other
them
side.
see.
Oh, over
Too
there.
late.
Too
Yeah.
late. Cybertruck. I don't know if you guys see the Cybertruck.
Sometimes when I'm at school, and I'm on the playground in the morning, I see a Cybertruck.
Oh, you really?
Yeah, I think it's kind of this. He lives right. I think that even might be the same truck. He goes to Planet Fitness.
Oh.
I tried seeing him around.
I wonder who owned it. A young guy?
I guess someone with money.
With money. It's like 100,000, right? Or more
When he bought it, it's 100. Now it's like 80,000. But when he bought it, no. I mean, at the
the
beginning.
beginning. Yeah.
But now they can't sell them, so they're 20,000 less. But that's a
But is it safe for accident, right? That's
Yeah.
why they made it that way.
yeah that's safe. I mean even it's safe. But all of them they have all this cameras around,
Oh.
so and it
Cybertruck.
can kind of brake for you, like
Yeah.
if you can't see, like in my case.